Alright guys, so for today's video, we're going to talk about Thinking.Inc. So you can grow your community organically by using this platform, and also this is powered by Algorand blockchain, right? So I will be talking about their NFTs since we are the NFT guys here. We're going to talk about their whitelists, how you can also take advantage of everything that you see into this website, and also its legitimacy, um, everything that we know here. So, of course, if you haven't subscribed in our channel, do not forget to subscribe right now. This is Crypto Addict here, back again with new contents every single day. Do not forget to please subscribe into our YouTube channel for more updates. And let's just jump right into it, okay? So, I also want to discuss things that I've seen, like for the first 2 to 5 minutes that I see into this platform, okay, its main advantage is that you can get rewards for every engagement that you do. So what do I mean by that? Okay, you can join here even though you don't use any of your money, but of course if you're gonna use your money, it also has like a what do you call that, an added incentive, because you can get more passive rewards on this. And also their NFTs gives you a lot of trades, it gives you a lot of utilities, like as well you get to work with projects, you can increase your rewards and many more. So into work with projects, you get a lot from, let's say, 50 or $100, because based on what I see here, the price here is $50 per NFT for mystery blocks, mystery box for the Popo cloth. So you get a lot of value here, because it's very hard to work on with projects as well, and this can also help your career in terms of like learning more into Web3. Maybe you want to start your own Web3 a project or whatsoever as well. So, but the point here is that you get reward for engaging, for sharing, for liking, and everything, right? So, as well, if you're gonna look at the current DAO, if you're gonna look at the current DAO, there's no sharing economy. Like, DAO is more of like a voting right system for me. So there's not much into the DAO. It's like it's DAO, but like what's after that, So a lot of people says that they're a DAO, but actually they are not living up to its purpose as well. So for me, thinking it is like proposing a different stuff. We're in sharing economy as well. You are trying to make every single person involved in here. As well, I'm pretty much excited about what's going to happen here as well into the future, because as well this project is what I see. It has been going around since last year. So since before bull run, and they're still surviving up to this bear market. It is because you can see that if there's a quality project out there, whatever the market it is, it will actually survive. If you're going to see here, um, there's only 52 NFTs available, so it's gonna get sold out very, very soon. And if you're going to look at their whitelist, god damn, there's really a lot of people who actually committed into this project. And of course, $50 is not, it's not too much. Actually it's a much more cheaper than comparing to other stuffs that is being available. So I really do appreciate this one. At of course, if you're gonna look as well into their website, it's pretty much concrete. What do I mean? There's it's very complete. You can see that there's actually a plan in here, So they're building a larger universe around thinking. They're also building challenges. The launchpad, the tokens say are also gonna come very, very soon. NFT lending is also gonna come very, very soon. which is kind of interesting for me, because in this way you can be part of it even though you didn't pay for the whole amount. But of course it's lending, so what happens is that it has a different parameters than the usual traditional lending stuff. So some other projects, they do something like they lend their NFTs to others, and then you I think this is pretty much different. But what I see into other projects is that they lend, and then if you didn't pay, that NFT will be given to the someone who just lended you. So I'm not sure if it's pretty much clear with you guys, but yeah, that's pretty much how it works. So that's pretty much it that I see into Thinking That Inc. Let's go now into their application. So this is their application. It's pretty much basic actually. So here you see that there's a lot of people that are creating contents, because this is part of like what they're trying to build. You engage, you follow, you know and of course if you are into a community of like-minded individuals, you're not just gonna earn, you're also gonna learn from it. So when you log in here, you need to have a Google or Apple, and also you need to have your Algorand blockchain wallet address. So I hope you don't forget it, guys, because it's very crucial. It's really very crucial. So that's pretty much it on today's video. And now let's go forward into also their premium. So this is the premium. So 600 NFTs are just gonna be available, and then 3 NFTs are the max allocation. Also, for you to be able to participate, you need at least 3 to 4 algo in your wallet. So let's see, how much is 3 to 4 algo? Let's say 4 algo coin, Algorand. Okay, and that's the price of it. It's just 0.27. You just need to have $1, and you can opt in, right? And then there's a lottery here. At this is not botted because there's a raffle. So this is like the full rewards that you can get. You can get bounties, you can get airdrops, you can get alpha lunch as a KOL. So if you're a KOL, you can get to work directly with projects, and then also you can participate in IDOs and INOs in their launchpad. So it's very hard to participate into these IDOs and INOs because first of all, IDOs and INOs are there's really a lot of parameters. So basically, if you are part of Thinking, you get like this exclusive access. It's very hard actually. And also, you can lend or trade your NFTs on your marketplace after a specific amount of time. So definitely, you can do a lot of things in here, guys. And what's just $50 for like the amount of things that you can get? And of course, the meta right now is NFTs that has a real utility. And this is a real utility already because of the things that you can get. Some of these utilities you can get it for free on other DAOs, but the difference here is that it's still different when you are having this full set of utility under one project. And of course, if that project will actually work, it's gonna be good for you as well, because if it works, then everybody wins. Everybody wins. Of course, the NFTs will go up. There's more airdrops. There's more projects that are that you can work with if you are a KOL, and you get more rewards and everything. So that's pretty much it, guys. So based on what I see again, they've been here for a really long time, so I don't really think that it's a rug pull. I think they're doing a great job in here. They're just very silent about about these kind of things, but because of course, you want to focus on building rather than like hyping or doing something that is not sustainable, right? So I think I do admire them here. So of course, do not forget to follow them. I will be putting the link into the description box below. And of course, again, this is Crypto Addict here, guys. Back again with new contents every single day. And see you guys on the next video. God bless to all.